Every single week, millions of men step into the bathroom with a trimmer or razor to wage war against their body hair, assuming it's just a useless evolutionary leftover. But every single zone of hair on your body actually serves a specific biological purpose, from acting as a sensory radar to protecting your skin on a cellular level. Welcome back to Men Uncovered. Today, we are breaking down the hidden purpose of every body hair zone on a man, and why it's there in the first place. Zone 1. Arms and legs. Sensory radar and skin repair. Let's start with the hair on your arms and legs. Most men assume this hair is purely aesthetic, but biologically, it functions as an early warning radar system. Each individual hair follicle is connected to extremely sensitive nerve endings at its root. Long before a bug bites you or something touches your skin, those tiny hairs detect subtle movements in the air and physical contact. It is a biological defense mechanism designed to alert your nervous system to hazards before you even see them. On top of that, arm and leg hair follicles house a hidden reserve of adult stem cells. When you get a scrape, a cut, or a minor burn, cells inside those hair follicles migrate upward to help regenerate and repair damaged skin tissue. That means your arm and leg hair actively speeds up your skin's ability to heal after an injury. Zone 2. Armpits. Friction buffer and scent diffusion. Next is armpit hair. Why do we grow thick hair tucked away under our arms? It comes down to friction control and chemical signaling. First, consider daily movement. When you walk, run, lift, or work, your arms rub against your torso thousands of times a day. Armpit hair acts as a natural cushion that prevents skin-on-skin friction and painful chafing. Second, your armpits are home to specialized apocrine sweat glands. These glands produce a protein-rich fluid that interacts with natural skin bacteria. Armpit hair acts like a candle wick, trapping and diffusing your natural pheromones into the air, chemical signals that biologically signal health and vitality. Zone 3. Chest and torso. Core insulation and protection. Moving to the chest and stomach, the classic symbol of masculine hair growth. Your chest houses your vital internal organs, your heart and lungs. Historically, chest hair served as a thermal barrier, trapping a layer of warm air near the skin to help regulate core temperature in cold environments. Beyond temperature control, chest and stomach hair cushion delicate torso skin against friction caused by coarse clothing, heavy equipment, or direct exposure to UV radiation. It is essentially an extra physical layer of protection built directly into your skin. Zone 4. Groin and butt hair. Moisture control and friction defense. Now let's address the pelvic region, specifically pubic hair and butt hair. While these are the most commonly manscaped areas today, they carry crucial protective functions. Pubic hair acts as a primary defense shield for sensitive areas. During physical activity, walking, or intimacy, it reduces severe skin friction and chafing. It also acts as a barrier against dirt, bacteria, and microscopic pathogens, helping to maintain proper hygiene and skin integrity in high-friction zones. Similarly, hair between the buttocks serves a purely mechanical purpose, preventing friction. When you walk, run, or sit for long periods, skin moves against skin constantly. Butt hair creates a micro-buffer that eliminates painful chafing and helps manage moisture buildup, keeping the skin healthy and reducing irritation. Zone 5. Face and facial filters, defense and shields. Finally, let's look at the face. Nose and ear hair act as your body's built-in air filtration system. Cilia inside the nostrils trap dust, pollen, and airborne particles before they reach your lungs, while ear hair keeps debris from entering the ear canal. Then, there's the beard. Beyond signaling social maturity, facial hair helps cushion minor physical impacts to the jawline and blocks up to 90% of harmful UV rays from reaching your face and neck. Your body hair isn't a design flaw. It's a network of functional systems built for protection, hygiene, and sensory awareness. Grooming is personal preference, but understanding why hair grows where it does helps you groom with intention. If you enjoyed this breakdown, hit that like button and subscribe to Men Uncovered for practical content on self-mastery and modern lifestyle. Thanks for watching, and stay sharp.